tukamendithĩria mawega niĩ ndoka nĩguo ngũrehere gĩkũnjũro kĩa mohoro no mbere ndaya tambe twamũkĩre
mamwe mamarĩa tũkũharĩrĩirie nĩ atĩ mũndũ ũmwe gũte muoyo wake na mahiũ makĩria ma 500 kũiywo mwena wa Marti kaunti-inĩ ya Samburu tharĩkĩra-inĩ ya ũici wa mahiũ. Igeranio cia KCPE na KIPSEA kwambĩrĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ wothe bũrũri-inĩ. Nao arĩa mahutirio nĩ mbara cia mwaka wa 2008 kuheana mũrũgamo wao wĩgiĩ ũmomori wa nyũmba Mavoko kaunti ya Machakos.
Ngaikarange kũmenyithagia atĩ mohoro maya maitũ maramemerekio ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nenda-inĩ citũ cia gũkinyanĩria Facebook @Muthingi TV, YouTube @Muthingi TV. Niĩ ngetwo Wairimu wa Kimani na tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri Dr. William Ruto nĩ atongoretie mĩhang'o ya ũthũrimi wa igerio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ũmũthĩ kĩrĩko tene akinyire thukuru-inĩ wa Kikuyu Township na kũrĩa eranĩire mĩeke mĩigananu kũrĩ arutwo othe arĩa megũkorwo magĩikarĩra igerio ici na harĩ arutwo a kĩrathi gĩa kanana arĩa merĩgĩrĩirwo gũkaingĩra thukuru-inĩ mwaka ũkĩte thukuru cia secondary, akiuga atĩ thirikari yake nĩ harĩirie na ĩkĩga kĩgĩna kũgacĩrithia gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
One thing done is to place education as a priority, and that is why we are spending the largest budget of Kenya on our children, so that because you are the biggest asset that we have. So kwenu ninyi nyote nataka niwaambie watoto wetu wote wa Kenya, wale candidates siku ya leo, wajue ya kwamba sote tunaambatana na wao katika mtihani huu na tumefanya mpango ya kutosha mumalize mtihani wenu, na tumewapangia pia vile mtaenda mbele na masomo yenu, wale wanaenda grade 7, wale wanaenda form 1, na ni kwa sababu tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna mtoto hata mmoja wa Kenya anabaki nyuma. Sote tunaambatana pamoja. We have enough spaces and we have enough placement for all our going forward. So asanteni sana, tunawatakia baraka ya Mungu na mimi najua ya kwamba you will do well. So as you go into the exam room, know that you are not alone. Your parents are there, your teachers are there, all of us leaders are with you, the government of Kenya is with you, so be confident, do your best, carry out the exam, knowing very well that we have an opportunity for each and every child of Kenya.
Nacio KCPE na cia KIPSEA nĩ ciambĩrĩirie ũmũthĩ kũrĩa mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo Belio Kipsang egũkinyĩtie kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru kũnyabara mwĩkĩre wa igeranio ici gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mĩhang'o yothe nĩ yakinyanĩra. Igerio ici igũkorwo ikĩhinga wa 844 taratara ũngĩ mwerũ wa CBC ũrĩa warĩkirie gũthũrimwo mwaka mũhĩtũku.
I have engaged all the regional directors of education this morning, and they have also given me assurance that we are good. In Wajir, though there was some little rains last night, we are adequately deployed, and we have a number of choppers there. Marsabit also, there was some little rain, but again, we have also deployed helicopters into that region, so that no child misses an opportunity. We are aware there are some schools who may not have registered some children, and we know it is a serious offense not to register children for examinations. We have already directed our officers to make sure that this is properly investigated, communicated, necessary action can be taken. We have already arrested a teacher who had 10 accounts with social media. And that's why I'm very grateful to our colleagues in the security sector. The DCI, we are working very closely with the Communication Authority and the whole system, the cybercrime team. We are working with all of them. And I can assure you that we have cornered these fellas. There is nowhere they can go this time round. And we shall not allow anybody to mess up our children. And that's why we are working as a multi-agency team to ensure the security of our children is protected.
Na rĩu tũgĩũka mwena-inĩ wa Kĩrĩnyaga marũgamagĩra mĩhang'o ya igeranio nĩ mathingatĩtwo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ methemania na ciĩko ciothe cia ũici wa igeranio ici kũringana na County Commissioner wa Kĩrĩnyaga Tobiko Noyama hĩndĩ ya urugũria wa container cia igeranio arutwo makĩria ma 12,000 nĩo matanyĩtwo gwĩkarĩra igerio cia KCPE na mwena wa KPSEA nĩ arutwo makĩria ya 13,000 nĩo megũkorwo magĩkarĩra igeranio ici.
Ndio tumeanza kupeana mtihani yetu ya kwanza ya KCPE na KPSEA na tuko katika container ya Kirinyaga Central, na vile nilisema awali ya kwamba hii county tuko na container 5 kulingana na sub counties. Iko ya Kirinyaga Central, Kirinyaga West, Kirinyaga East, Mwea West na Mwea East. Wale wanafunzi ambao wanafanya ni 12,500 na KPSEA ni 13,000. Tunasema ya kwamba tumepeana usalama wa kutosha. Askari wale tumedeploy ni 600 kuhakikisha kila center iko na askari wa kutosha, na pia sisi tuko na team ya monitoring. Kumaliza hapa tunaenda kuangalia mashule tuone vile mtihani
tukorokete rucine tene na andu ara marangad station cia kigeranio igeranio ni itatu KPSEA, KCPE, KCSE aria mambiriirie omwe tugukite flagging off niketha arimu mathie na igeranio thĩinĩ wa macukuru mao, so that after that kigeranio kiambiririe na tugukite kuhakikisha ati kigeranio ti tampered with, and I'm very impressed.
Nake Commissioner wa County ya Bungoma Thoma Sankei neranĩire gũtigĩrĩra ũgitĩri marĩkia igeranio iria ciambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, akĩaria thutha wa gũtongoria ũheani wa maratathi ma igerio ici. Oho mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa gĩthomo county-inĩ ĩyo Pius Ngoma augĩte arũgamĩrĩri a igeranio ici ũmũthĩ nĩ megwĩkinyĩtie tene mũno gũkinyanĩria ũheani wa maratathi maya.
Tumejitayarisha mambo ya mitihani kama vile mmeshuhudia leo asubuhi. Kila kitu iko shwari, usalama uko sawa sawa, na walimu na wahusika wote wamejitayarisha. Tunatarajia tuwe na kipindi kizuri hiki cha mtihani. Kwa hivyo hatutarajii wizi wowote, na Bungoma hatuna sifa mbaya kwa mambo ya wizi ya mtihani.
For the exam for today, all the ground, all examination came on time, and our security are up to the task. We are moving out to our centers, and as we have said earlier, in the KPSEA we have total number of 54,859 candidates that are taking the exams now. 75,047 candidates taking exam. We don't expect anything to happen, as our center managers and the exam managers have been briefed accordingly.
Nako mwena-inĩ wa gĩcũa-inĩ igerio nĩ ciambĩrĩirie o wega ona thengia ya mbura nene gũkorwo igĩthandana rũcinĩ rwa ũmũthĩ, gũkũ mũnene wa gĩthomo mwena-inĩ ũcio Luke Kagoki akiuga ũgitĩri nĩ ũkũgacĩrithio mwena ũcio wa Lamu gũtigĩrĩra atĩ arutwo aya nĩ meka igeranio ici matarĩ na iremithia oro ciothe.
Have 53 containers serving the whole region, and we have KCB centers 2019, and then we have KIPSEA centers 2,472. Now, candidature for KCB, we have 125,296, almost 50-50%. Now we have 137,945 KIPSEA children or candidates. Whose percentage in terms of gender is also 50-50. Is set of the rains that is pouring. We are not in any way worried about what we have done. We are looking forward as a region to have well-coordinated management and administration national exams. As we are going on now, in all the distribution centers, the 53 distribution centers, exams are being dispatched now. We're not behind the schedule. We are just there by the schedule. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, we've not had such a thing. The area has been conducive, the area has been peaceful, and we are not expecting any insecurity issue now that we've not been having it in the recent past. It has taken some time. And we don't want anyway, by the way, insecurity in Lavu is not welcomed. And anywhere else, we don't want any interruption to education processes.
Buratu gani kirathimo kuma matu-inĩ na riboti yo ya gĩcũa-inĩ nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũhe kahinda ga gũkĩria na ndũgathiĩ haraya amu nĩ tũgũcoka na mangĩ maingĩ.
Flamingo Towers. Flamingo Towers is an elegantly designed executive office complex. The building's 22 wings, retaining 12 levels of grade A commercial space with flexible interior arrangements and 6 floors of parking accessed by car elevators. Located along Mara Road in Nairobi's Upper Hill area, Flamingo Towers boasts of panoramic scenic views from every office, 24-hour CCTV surveillance systems, fiber optic broadband connectivity, 2 high-speed elevators, MVA power supply with standby generator, and many more modern facilities. The building and its naming rights are up for sale. For more information, contact us on 0727 287 994 or visit our website on www.flamingotowers.com. Flamingo Towers, a product of Fusion Capital. Fusion Capital, rooted in the African growth story.
Mutorera-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe, anini, akuru, akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru. No haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno, kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka.
Ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom.
Ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi. Ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi.
Nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tafarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Ure murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya Mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Thegeo muno ni guthii na mbere na kunyitanira na ithwe na riu tukuingira kaunti-ini ya Samburu kuria mundu umwe ni arikitie gukwa na mahio makiria ma 500 kuywo tharikira-ini njeru iria itafanirio ni aici a mahio aria megwithaite na matharaita ngurani mwena wa Marti kaunti-ini ya Samburu. Tharikira ino yukite oriri thutha wa andu angi 3 kuragwo na angi 7 gutigwo na nguraro. Riu atongoria matiganite ni maikite ritana kuri aria maikara guku gutigira ni makoro makigithia thayo muno mahinda-ini maya ma igeranio.
Saidia baada ya kupiga Wasamburu na kuua vijana wa 7 wako hospitali wamejeruhiwa. Ng'ombe zaidi ya 100 imeteremka imeenda Baringo East. Marti ni sehemu pia ya Samburu County ambaye Waturkana wanaishi. Watu walienda walipiga kijana wamechukua ng'ombe zaidi ya 500 pia hapo Marti. So, wanafunzi wetu wote wanaanza mtihani, wale wa darasa la 8 na wanafunzi pia wa kidato cha 4 na pia wale ambao wako grade 6. Tunajua sehemu hii ni sehemu ambaye watoto hata wameathirika kwa ajili ya insecurity. Ninajua hata watoto wakienda kufanya mtihani watafanya mtihani ambaye wa Kenya wengine wote ambao wamesoma mwaka mzima wanafanya. Na hawa watoto mara mingi hawajakuwa darasani, wanafanya mtihani wa uoga, wanalala msituni. Kama hiyo imetukera sana kama wakaaji Samburu. Na kama kiongozi mimi nimesikia uchungu sana. Kwa sababu sio mara ya kwanza tumekuja hapa kulia. Sisi kawaida watoto wetu kutoka mwaka uliopita mpaka sasa tumepoteza zaidi ya vijana 100. Watoto wetu wameisha. Watoto wetu wameisha. Sisi tunataka rais leo angalie wa Samburu na waone sisi tuko na shida. Watoto wetu wameisha, kila siku tunapoteza watoto. Tunasika watoto wamekuwa jane. Vijana wetu wameisha. Sisi tujui tunaelekea wapi. Nataka rais leo useme usikie. Kutoka mpaka Nairobi kuja uone sisi tumeisha kama jamii ya Samburu.
Na riu tukiingira mwena-ini wa Meru aciari ni mathingatitwo gukorwo na uigiririki muno makiria na ni riri ciana ihingite macukuru mao. Ritana riri rikitwo ni munini wa county commissioner icigo-ini kia Ikoji Zuhura hindi ya mihang'o ya uheani wa ite kuri macukuru 3 mwena-ini uyu. Mihang'o iria igukinyanirio ni mubunge wa gicigo giki na unyitaniri wa fegi ya Equity itemini ya kugacirithia githomo mwena-ini wa Meru.
Tutakuwa na watoto nyumbani mpaka Januari. Hizo ni wiki 10. Kile ambacho ningependa kuwa wazazi tukubali wazoe kuwa na watoto nyumbani. Umezoea kila asubuhi atoke anapunguza kelele kwa nyumba. Walimu pia wao wameplay their part. Saizi imefika holiday, tunarudisha watoto nyumbani. Tafadhali hao watoto wanahitaji malezi, wanahitaji mapenzi, wanahitaji pia This is the time ambao wewe kama mzazi kaa na mtoto. Hakikisha unamwambia yale maadili. Unajua kuna mambo ya shule na kuna maadili ambayo maadili mzazi ndio anafunza. Tuwafunze the ways of life. Yale mambo ambayo kama kwa kijiji ni mazuri na ni mabaya. Viongozi wa dini wako but huko wataenda Sundays peke yake. Most of the time tuko nao nyumbani. Tujumuisha hao watoto katika maisha ya kila siku.
Na leo niko hapa tukiwa na team kutoka Equity Bank. Letea nyinyi desk ambaye wanafunzi wenu maji. Kuna water projects tunaendelea kuweka. Timu yangu inafanya maneno ya kuona maji, projects zingine zimewekwa. Tayari tumepata transformer 40 ambayo pole nataka kuacha kila nyumba iko na stima ili wanafunzi wanasoma bila shida. Taendelea kuona wanafunzi wetu hakuna mahali ya kukaa pali pasuri ili wasikize masomo vizuri.
Naguo muingi wa kaunti ya Kilifi ni utanyitwo kwaurwo murigo muritu wa guthiaga thabari ndaya gwetha ihoto cia macira na maundu maria matumĩrĩra thirikari ya kaunti ino na unyitanĩri wa ruhonge rwa ucirithania ya kaunti marĩ na muoroto wa kuhuthia ngarama ya kihoto. Akiaria hĩndĩ ya mihang'o ya uhingũri wa igoti rĩrĩ, gavana wa gũkũ Gideon Mung'aro nĩaugire atĩ nĩmegũcaria na rũhonge rũrũ mabange mibango ũrĩa mekũgĩa na mũcirithania mũnene ũrĩa ũrĩthaitagĩra macira-inĩ mwena.
Pata fursa ya kupata kesi hata za gari tu ama kuegeza nini, alafu naenda kukaa miezi mitatu narudishwa kotini siku nyingine ili na muda unaenda, kwa hivyo unakosa kufanya taratibu ya kazi zako zingine. Mahakama hii itawezesha kutoa hukumu kwa haraka kwa sababu nasema hukumu ikichelewa imehujumiwa. Nataka kuambia tu kwamba sio tu koti hii peke yake. Tayari kwa tunaweka milioni 50 na tutajenga koti ya kisasa. Tunaomba mahakama tushirikiane pale Mtoma. Koti ambayo itakuwa na vifaa vya kisasa, huna haja ya kuja kotini, unaweza kuhukumiwa ukiwa nyumbani kwako. Hiyo itaanza hivi karibuni na tumeweka milioni 50 pale Mtwapa. Koti hizi hazitatumika tuna kazi ya county peke yake. Kama mnavyojua mahakama hii kuna shughuli nyingi. Kwa hivyo siku ile hakimu hana kesi za county, atakuwa anafanya zile kesi zingine za kawaida.
Naeleza vizuri function ya hii koti yetu. Tumekuwa na issues mingi sana. One of the ways to congest ile mambo tumekuwa tukiendelea hapa ni kupitia hii koti yetu ya county.
Na jaji mkuu kwamba tunataka kufungua mahakama hizi mbali ya hiyo ya Mtwapa, Bamba, na zile sehemu ambazo hazina, na kule ambako tungejenga koti tupate mahakama ile ambayo itakuwa inatembea. Kama siku fulani hakimu anaenda Marafa na hukumu kesi hata kama chini ya mti, ili watu waache kupunguziwa mwendo wa kutembea kwenda Malindi na sehemu zingine kutafuta.
Kwa county government kuna watu wanaitwa members of county assembly ambao wanatengeneza sheria za county. Kwa hivyo kazi ya hii koti ni kuenforce sheria ambazo zimetengenezwa na county ya Kilifi, lakini itakuwa inasimamiwa na hakimu.
Na rĩu tũkĩingĩra iharo-inĩ, mũthenya wa Jumamothi nĩ kũrarĩ na kĩmako kĩnene mũno kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot, kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nasakol, kũrĩa aikari a kaunti ĩyo mararũnganĩte na kuga mbĩtĩka cia Chapadimba citikũnyita itemi kaunti-inĩ ĩyo angĩkorwo arũgamĩrĩri a mbĩtĩka ici matikũingĩrĩra. makĩarĩria andĩki a mohoro timu ya Kapenguria Heroes maugĩte nĩ maraimirwo mweke wa kũnyita itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici thutha wa mũthaki wao ũmwe gũkorwo nĩathakagĩra timu ĩno ligi-inĩ ya NSL.
Mimi kwa majina najulikana kama Kenneth Mnang'at. Mimi ndio timu wa Kapenguria Heroes ambao walikuwa champions wa Chapadimba first edition. Na leo niko hapa kulalamika kwa kitendo ambacho tumefanyiwa na Safaricom na Chapadimba na aswa wale coordinator ama ule nini wa FKF ambaye ametuandikia barua jana jioni, barua ambayo tulipokea jana jioni kwamba sisi tumebaniwa kwa Chapadimba ya sub-region hii yetu ya Trans Nzoia, Pokot na Turkana County ambayo inachezwa leo hapa Nasokol. Sababu kuu ambayo wanatuambia ni kwamba tulichezesha wachezaji ambao hawafai, but ukiangalia kwa ile evidence tumetoa ni kwamba hawa vijana kweli walifaa kucheza. Na kwa mfano ambayo ningependa kutoa sana ni nashangaa sana kwamba FKF ama hiyo ofisi hawafuatilii kuangalia tofauti. Watu wanatumia majina ambazo zinafanana. Mfano tu ni hawa vijana ambao naona mwingine anaenda kubaniwa asicheze Talanta FC Premium League, na huyu wetu ambaye ni Alfred Tanu pia asicheze Division 2 League. Hapo kumekuwa wamekanganyikiwa na majina. Tuko na vijana ambao wanashare majina but miaka za kuzaliwa tofauti, wanatoka sehemu tofauti. Mwingine anatoka Turkana huko Loima, mwingine anatoka West Pokot Mnagei.
Na kwa mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia ligi nene ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, timu ya KCB marahotire timu ya Nairobi City Star na bao 4-1 ona thutha wao gũkorwo marĩ na athaki 10. Timu ĩno ya KCB maregwatĩire pointi 3 na kũrũmĩrĩra namba 3 ligi ĩno ya FKF.
We are very happy about the performance of today. Thankful for the boys, they've given us the 3 points and 4 goals. Tuko pleased sana because of any set pieces. The last time against Ulinzi tulipata set piece mingi hatukuconvert. Lakini tuna thank God today tumepata hizo set pieces na tuwe convert. Hiyo run tukiendelea. Then hopefully the players pia can step up. Then itakuwa good result because this is a marathon. Just the beginning of the league, so just keep up every game and approach differently. And thank you for the season. We hope to keep the run going because that's our main objective. So long as we approach every game differently, so we hope that the coming matches pia tutapata a good result and it will be good for the team. For Andika is a top keeper, so compare Andika na Brian, the two both top keepers. So it was good for the team even though Brian alipata injury. Andika had to come in and step in for the goalkeeper. So I think it'll take about 4 or 5 weeks before we get him back to the team. But for Andika, it's good performance because he's also the captain of the team. So for that, he'll keep on pushing. Then we have our other goalkeepers who are number 2 and number 3. All our keepers are. So it's good for the team to have a good.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno mwiroreri witũ wa Muthingi TV na muno makiria kuri we wanyitanira nani kuma riria nyambirie gikunjuro giki kia mohoro tugathie na mbere kwendithĩria aria mareka igerio cia KCP na KEPS ya mawega na nĩ ũndũ wa kahinda nĩ ngũkinyia hau ngetwo wa elimu wa Kimani.